Welcome back to Western Air Cleaning. One thing that can be said about all the cold weather and wind we've been experiencing in our area is that it sure highlights where all the air leaks can be found in your house. So if you're running out of blankets, might be time to address your heat loss issue. We've got just the man to help us with that job, because join us in our studio, which is nice and warm in here, and he's got a great warm personality. Mike Washington from Ivy League Construction. Mike, good to have you here.
Yeah, thanks for having us back.
All right, nobody thinks about their insulation, do they, until they're walking by a window or door and they're getting blown over by a draft here. Why is it so important to get proper insulation?
Yeah, insulation, really, it's twofold, right? Obviously, we want to be able to save you some money on your utility bills. When you have a lack of insulation or a lot of drafts in your house, you are making your furnace work double time, and it already is working double time, so it's so cold out. And then in the summertime, in the warmer months, the same thing is happening. The insulation will actually help the heat from actually getting into the home. So, you really want to be able to insulate a house properly and air seal it properly. If you look, there's tons of leak paths in a house, from the top to the bottom. A lot of them are simple things that you can air seal. Like in the screen here, you'll see there's actually ice inside of a roof. That's on the underside of a roof. Hot air is actually getting into the attic and then condensing on the inside of a roof, which will lead to roof failure and the deck actually rotting out. So before, you'll see a lot of ice on a home. And then after we insulate it, you'll see very, very little. So it's a good idea to get out this weekend. It's very, very cold. Get out and take a look at your gutter lines. If there's 2, 3, 4 foot or more icicles,
like that,
and you see the shingles and it's the dead of winter and it's 0 degrees out, you have a significant amount of heat loss. You really should have us out. Get into your attic. We can really take a look and see what you actually need in your home. What is causing that? There could be several factors that are actually that. And then, hey, okay, how do we actually increase the R value in your attic? That's probably the easiest and quickest fix is the attic. We always talk about in our office, like putting a hat on. You always put your hat on when you go outside in the winter. It's the same thing you would do in an attic, is you're actually gonna blow in cellulose insulation. It's ground up newspaper, it's recycled product. It has fire retardant on it. Super safe product. We've been blowing that in on top of attic insulation for years, and you can super insulate a house to get to an R50 or an R60. Our region calls for that in the code book today. Very few houses that we go into actually gets to that unless it's a brand new house.
Let's talk about what we're seeing here. This is air sealing windows and doors, right?
It is air sealing windows and doors. You're going to go around all windows, all doors to actually air seal. That really helps. We also use a lot of foam insulation in projects these days. It's great for open cavities, closed cavities, rim joists around the bottom to actually stop drafts between your basement and your first floor. Fiberglass is out there, very common. Everyone sees that, blanket insulation. We use that a lot of times in our rework, in our remodeling projects, kitchens or bathrooms, to do our walls and our ceilings. And then obviously the cellulose product we can use in open cavities. We can use them in closed cavities and actually blow it in from the inside or exterior. And then also put that on the attic ceilings. Oh, it does a great job.
Hearing you talk here, it tells me that a lot of homes when they're built here probably were not properly insulated.
We find a lot of interesting things when we start looking at homes, that some houses have very little insulation to none. Sidewalls have none. Attics are, they have an R12 and it's calling for an R50 or 60. You're under, not even close. I mean, it's really interesting. You'll know if you go out and really inspect your house in the cold months and see that. And then don't forget, that's year-round savings. Obviously during the heating season, but that insulation is also helping when you get to the cooling months.
Keep your house cool there. All right,
absolutely.
We're going to tell you how Ivy League Construction, the most trusted name in home improvement for exterior and interior needs. To find out more about all the services they offer, including insulation, which was really important that Mike talked about here, head to their website at ivyleagueconstruction.com. Give them a call, 875-8654. Remember, they have a variety of great financing options as always on all projects, 2 of which you see right there on your screen to help you save some money.